In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder labels in Microsoft Planner. This full 2025 guide will help you streamline your project management workflow in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft 365 account. If you're already familiar with this interface, go ahead and open it up. Once you're logged in, navigate over to Microsoft Planner by selecting it from the app launcher. Planner is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and collaborating with your team, but it does have a few quirks to be aware of, especially when dealing with labels. Now here's a crucial point for you. In Microsoft Planner, once labels have been created, they cannot be directly reordered. This can be a bit frustrating if you like everything just so. However, there are workarounds that can help you achieve a similar effect. Though direct reordering might not be possible, you can still rename existing labels and introduce new ones. Any changes you make will be applied across your entire plan, so there's plenty of room for creativity and organization within these constraints. Let's continue with the process. After opening Planner, click on My Plans to access your specific set of plans. From there, choose the plan in which you want to modify your labels. This is your main point of action where the magic happens. Once inside your plan, switch to the grid view. This view enables a detailed display of your tasks and associated labels, providing a clear, organized picture of what needs to be done. So how do you actually modify a label? The first thing you need to do is locate the specific label in the list that you want to change. Once you spot it, look for the pencil icon next to it. This is your gateway to customization. Click that pencil icon, which will allow you to enter a new name for your label. Don't forget to save your changes once you've finished. If your goal is to bring in a fresh new label, that's just as easy. Select the Add Label option within the label field. You'll be prompted to choose a color from the list of available options. Selecting a color that aligns with your project's theme or priority can really enhance clarity. After choosing your color, you'll have the option to rename this new label just like you did with existing ones. And that's it. While it may seem like a lot at first, these steps can truly streamline your organization efforts in Microsoft Planner. Use these tips to keep your projects running smoothly, and soon enough you'll forget you ever needed a tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy planning.